What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. This video is going up really late because I spent all day at Apple and Best Buy diagnosing my MacBook. It's gone, it's done, it's over. The whole logic board, the video card, done. It's like 500 bucks to fix it. So I just went ahead, went to Best Buy and ordered a new MacBook Pro, i7 15-inch. It'll be here, it'll be ready tomorrow. I was supposed to pick it up tonight, a huge big fiasco. I might do a video on it later, but Best Buy has a really crappy fraud protection program. When you buy something on the website, which I ordered on the website here and drove to the store to get it, they have to approve you, and I had my ID and my credit card and all that stuff, and they said they had to wait for corporate to approve it, and they didn't approve it until after the store closed, so I have to go get it tomorrow, I guess. I don't know, they're a really weird system. I should have just got it through Apple, but I had a Best Buy rewards card. So on a set of good news, that's the bad news. So good news, tomorrow I'll have my computer back to regular schedule. But on good news side, I got a package from everyone's best friend and buddy, Knight, field required, if you don't know who he is. He'll have a video in the big thrifter group this coming week. But he sent me an awesome box. I'm gonna show you guys proper packaging of eBay breakables, telling me thank you for handling the freak show of a group. If you're not a part of my 94,000 member Facebook group, by all means at your own risk, join it. But he sent me some freak show wine. Is this from California? This is 14.5% alcohol wine from Grayton, California, Michael David Winery. And it's called Freak Show. If you guys can see that, how cool is that? Thank you so much, Knight. He sent me a very nice letter. But let me show you how he packaged this. This is fantastic. So he used this. Now he sent this priority mail, so he's certainly allowed to use the priority. He cut the box down a little bit in order to slip the wine into this protective little thing that he taped shut. And then he put this inside of the rest of the priority box, and he of course bubbled it, you know, like this. There we go. And then he put this down inside of the box. Perfect job. If you guys ever want to know how to do shipping right, he's your man. And I'll link Knight's YouTube channel and all of his links down below. But thanks a lot, Knight. Appreciate that bottle of Freak Show wine. I'll have to share this with the rest of the family and the rest of all you crazy people. So very cool. Thanks for the letter as well. Appreciate it. You're the best, man. Always depend on you for a good smile after a bad day. So today's video, I did want to give you guys a little content, is eBay Open 2018 workshop videos are live on Facebook. The eBay for Business page has posted on their Facebook all of the workshops. So I'm gonna go over to my screen. I'm gonna record scrolling through Facebook, and you guys will get to see what videos and workshops they have. I will link those down below as well, and you can go check those out if you were unable to attend eBay Open in Las Vegas and you missed out on some workshops. Feel free to go down there and check those out as well. And finally, a video today that really gets to me. It grinds my gears. It drives me nuts. Did you guys see the little story of the young girl? I think she's like 6 years old, 5 years old, something like that. She ordered $400 worth of toys off of Amazon, and everyone seems to think it's the funniest thing. It's the greatest thing ever. Her mom bought her a Barbie for like $10. She taught her how to go on Amazon, which was silly to begin with. If you're the mother of this daughter, teaching your 5 or 6 year old daughter how to click through Amazon and buy stuff because it's as easy as 1, 2, 1, 2, because everything's saved, is just ridiculous and silly, especially if you're going to give them access to an iPad or a computer or what have you, whatever she had access to. Because guess what a 5 and 6 year old's going to do when you turn around? They're gonna go on there and go, hey, look how easy it is to order $400 worth of stuff. And everybody's laughing and thinks this is hilarious and cute. But you know what? I don't think it's cute. I don't think it's funny. And I think all the people that would have had to take those returns for all the items she ordered and get that fun message we all love next week that says, hey, my 4-year-old ordered this on accident, are not gonna be laughing and smiling and think it's cute when they have to take back $400 in toys. Now it turns out that didn't happen because probably the mother got blasted and decided to donate all the toys to a children's hospital. Good on her for that. But it's the principle. Lesson learned? Maybe. Let's go over and check out that story. I'll show you guys the eBay Open videos and the workshop videos, and I'm gonna also show you this little story, this little girl ordering $400 in toys. Drives me insane. Okay, so it turns out that eBay actually put a direct link to the workshops. I'll link this down below. It's on their Facebook page. If you go to eBay for Business on their Facebook page, or you can just use this link I'm providing you. It's ebayopen.com/login.html, and then the rest of it. And so it asks you for your first name, your last name, your email, your eBay user ID, the company, and the title. So I'm just going to go ahead and just put all this in for us to see what it looks like. At gmail.com. Company is Worldwide Sales LLC. That's my real company. I'm the owner. Did I attend eBay Open in person? Yes. If you didn't, just press no. Doesn't matter. Hit submit, and this is just probably for like email lists for them. And then it's going to pop up. I've already looked at the screen once, but it's going to pop up, and it's kind of slow because it's a lot of videos, but it'll show you all of the video workshop that eBay did at Open and the general sessions, which here it is. That's the CEO, Devin Weneg. That's his general session. This is a conversation. Journey to the Modern Marketplace with Bob. Responsibility to You with Scott Cutler. And then as you scroll down over here, there should be additional videos, yep, right there, which would be product-based commerce, step into the buyer's shoes, how to take photos, that was the Griff workshop, and quite a few other videos as you go through here. The seller panel, top tips from fashion sellers, your search-friendly listings with Google. There's a Shine Award winners video, and so there's quite a bit of videos here. Merchandising, social media, shipping, your secret competitive advantage, make the eBay community connection. So they're all right here on the right-hand side, and you guys can check all that out. So that's the eBay Open workshop videos. I'll link that down below. And our second story, here's our little girl, our awesome little shopper from Amazon who bought $400 worth of toys on her mom's account. There she is, just laughing it up and smiling with one of these Amazon last mile delivery drivers that she did so good. There she is, 6 years old, Caitlin Lunt, and they're making a big deal out of it here. You know, $400 worth of games and toys and Barbies, and there's mom smiling big about daughter's little, you know, shopping spree, and they just think it's so funny, and I don't. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm not. There she is again with all her toys. Thank God they donated them. But, and obviously mom had the money to spare. Doesn't look like mom's hurting too much with that. That house looks pretty decent. But anyways, tell me what you think about this. Tell me if you think this is cute and funny, or if you think this is the kind of thing that eBay and Amazon, you know, they should shut her account down, in my opinion. I don't think she should have an account since she let a 6-year-old go on a shopping spree. That's not how e-commerce works. That's not what it was made for. That's not what one-touch, two-click buying was made for, and they should put a stop to it. So that's my opinion. I'm going to get a lot of hate for it. If your child gets a hold of something and does it on their own, okay, you're not to blame, but this mom taught her daughter how to do this, and that's not okay. So I'll wait for your opinions in the comment section down below. Don't be a jerk. Just be nice and leave your opinion, but please do be honest. And, oh boy, can't wait to read those. Anyways, enjoy your night. Back to a regularly scheduled program, hopefully tomorrow at the latest Friday, depending on how long it takes me to set up the new computer tomorrow. And until I see you guys then, have a wonderful night, and thanks for watching.